How to YouTube. You guys are with me and what's it called? I forgot. TV is on, so you probably hear noise in the background. Today I'm gonna do a this or that tag. Okay, so let's begin. First one, makeup. Blush or bronzer. Blush. Lip gloss or lipstick. Lipstick. And let's make that lip gloss. Eyeliner or mascara. Mascara. Foundation or concealer. Concealer. Natural or color eyeshadow. Natural. Pressed or loose eyeshadow. I'm still thinking. Press. Brushes or sponge? Brushes. No. No. No, let's talk about that. Oh, okay. O-P-I or China Glaze. I never tried China Glaze, but I would say O-P-I. Long or short? Short. Natural is cool or natural. Okay. Bright or dark? Bright. Flowers or no flowers? No flowers. Okay. Body. It's like really short. It's like 4 questions. Okay. Perfume or body splash? Perfume. Wait, body splash? Is that like soap? Then soap. The body splash. Body splash. Lotion or body butter? Lotion. Body butter. It's not something. Body wash or soap? Body wash. Lush or other in bath? Company. It's not a penny, but company. You know, Lush. Cause I always have soap. I always my family always keeps soap, and so Lush is like have soap, and it's like really cool. I would rather get the fun because it's gonna take back good. Let's talk about fashion. As you can see, I'm in my pajamas. Jeans or sweatpants? Jeans. Long sleeve or short sleeve? Wait, long sleeve of a short dress or a skirt? Skirt. Stripes or plaid? Stripes. Flip flops or sandals? Flip flops. Because I can't flip sandals because me and my mom, but the ankle part is like different. You have to feel around the ankle part. Studs or definitely earrings? Studs. No. Dangly. Necklace or bracelet? Necklace, as you can see I'm wearing a bracelet. Heels or flats? Flats. Cowboy boots or riding boots? Cowboy boots. Jacket or hoodie? Hoodie. Forever 21 or Charlotte Russe? Forever 21 because I don't know Charlotte Russe. Emma Courtney or Hollister? Emma Courtney. Okay. Stackles, this or Norm Star? Norm Star because I don't know the other one. Now let's go with hair. Curly or straight? Straight. Bun or ponytail? Ponytail. Bobby pins or bobby pins? Hairspray or hair gel? Hairspray. Long or short? long. I don't have long hair. Light or dark? Both. No, you can't have it. Light brown. Okay. Size, sweet bangs or full bangs? Size, sweet bangs. I think that's bangs. Yes, bangs. There is rain outside. A little drop down my head. Up, or the down random stuff. Rain or shine. Wait. Rain or shine. Summer or winter? Summer. Fall or spring? Chocolate or vanilla? West Coast or East Coast? Let me think about that too. Hold on. I'm sorry, I'm stupid. West Coast. I had to think for a while, but I'm super sorry if I had to think for a while. So, you guys next time check out my videos. Make sure you subscribe, aka subscribe. Leave a comment down below. Leave a video response. You can email me. You guys gonna have to just click on me and just, you guys know. And have a good day. Or if you see this in the morning, have a good morning. Or if you're seeing this at the end of your life, then have a good afterlife. Or if you're seeing this right now, just been born, have a good life. And that is a bit awkward, but bye-bye!